Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin from Gemini, updated. Open the Gemini app, verify your identity, and link your bank for funding. Then choose market or limit orders to buy Bitcoin. I will walk you through app navigation, fee awareness, and basic order types so you can trade confidently. Stay calm, follow each step, and pause the video if you need extra time to complete any action. Getting verified and funding your account are key steps. Submit your ID and selfie, then wait for verification to clear before funding. Link your bank for ACH, which is cheaper but slower, or add a debit card for instant buys at higher cost. I will explain how to check pending deposits, confirm available balances, and avoid common delays so you can time your purchases with confidence. In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin from Gemini, updated. Quick recommendation. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I find small comforts help steady nerves during trading. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Placing an order is straightforward once funded. Tap Bitcoin, pick market or limit, enter the dollar amount, and review the fee estimate shown before confirming. For limit orders, set your target price and wait for execution. For market orders, expect immediate fills at current prices. I will guide you through confirming transactions, checking receipts, and viewing your new balance so you feel comfortable managing your crypto.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.